Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the measure of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the problem. The given problem is for the measures in the diagram. Compute the sine, cosine and tangent ratio of the angle theta. So the triangle is given, the measures are given. The side of the triangles are given. In this we need to find the value of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, right? So this angle is given as the named as PQR. Three edges are marked as PQR. The important thing we need to see where is the theta is available. Here theta is available at the point Q. This is the right angle, 90 degree. Point P is 90 degree. So we need to see that while measuring the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, we need to see what is the opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. Opposite side means opposite to that angle theta is called the opposite side, right? This PR is the opposite side, 35 units, opposite to that of the angle theta. Adjacent to that angle theta is called the adjacent side. PQ is the adjacent side, 12 units, right? The another term opposite to that of this right angle is nothing but this QR. QR is nothing but a hypotenuse, that is 37 units, right? So first we need to observe the triangle. First see the mark PQR. Second see the angle triangle where it is located. Opposite to the triangle is called the opposite side, PR, 35 units. Adjacent to the angle theta is called adjacent side, PQ, 12 units. That another one is the QR, is a hypotenuse, 37 units. So in the given right angle triangle, note that for the given angle theta, right? Now we know the opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. From that we can find the first one, sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. This is a formula. Opposite side is PR, adjacent side is QR. Just now we discussed. PR value is 35, QR value is 37. So 35 divided by 37. PR is the opposite side of the opposite side of the angle theta. PQ is the adjacent side of the angle theta. QR is the hypotenuse, right? Now we calculated the sin theta. Now we will see the value of cos theta and tan theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is PQ. That value is 12. Hypotenuse is QR. That value is 37. So 12 divided by 37 is the value of cos theta. The ratio of cos theta is 12 by 37. Then the third one is tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. PR divided by PQ. PR is the opposite side. PQ is the adjacent side. 35 divided by 12. Right? The ratio of tan theta is 35 by 12. Now we calculated the ratio of sin theta, cos theta as well as tan theta. Right. So with that further, it is enough to leave the ratio as fraction. Right. No need to simplify further. Right. In case if you want to simplify each ratio neatly in a terminating decimal form, you may opt for it. But that is not a obligatory. Right. It's not necessary. If you want, you can find the decimal form. That is your option. That is not necessary to that simplified in the decimal form. You can leave the ratio as it is, right? So that further some another two more notes are available. Since trigonometric ratio are defined in terms of ratio of side, there are unitless numbers. There are unitless. There is no unit for that because opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, so there is no unit. And ratio like sin theta, cos theta and tan theta are not treated like sin into theta, cos into theta, tan into theta. No need to write like that, sin into theta. Simply we can write sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. No need to write sin into theta, cos into theta, tan into theta. Right? So in this problem, the triangle is given with the side of the triangle is also given and theta, where the theta is located is given. From that we identify the opposite side, adjacent side of theta and hypotenuse. From these three values, we calculated sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So all these three, all values are available. From that we calculated. We can leave the ratio as it is. No need to go for decimal. If you want to go for decimal, that is our option. And another thing is sine theta or tan theta cos theta are unitless. There is no unitless because of it is a ratios. And we can simply write sine theta cos theta tan theta. No need to write sine into theta, cos into theta and tan into theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.